Hi, I'm Rupal Bhatt. I'm from Bangalore and I own a TVS Scooty Zest. So we purchased this scooty this July 2022 and I think so this is one of the best purchase that we have ever made. I remember the time when we were trying to search for scooties, we had a lot of options. But why we zeroed it down to TVS Zest was because of two major reasons. One was because I already had this association with TVS, so my first scooty was TVS Pep Plus itself. So I had that kind of connect with the brand. And second, I had a talks with my friends and family, and they gave very good reviews about the scooty. So that is how we zeroed it down to TVS Scooty Zest. And I would say that we have had a very good experience with the scooty, being with its comfort and durability and the ease of commute that we are having with this. So frankly speaking, imagining my life without the scooty, it would be kind of difficult for us, owing to the cases that it has always helped us in our daily routine, like some of the cases when I have to go for grocery shopping or drop my husband to the metro station or even commute to my office. So owing to this transmit problem in Bangalore, I think so having the scooty has helped me a lot because it makes life much more convenient and easy. I think so. The most fun part about owning my Zest is sometimes I think so. The Bangalore people owning the Scooty Zest or two-wheeler would second me with this fact that whenever there is a lot of congestion or traffic in this road, and then you can easily slide over with this scooty because of its lightweight, and you can see the four-wheeler standing out there with the long queues. So I think so. This is what makes the TVS Scooty Zest most enjoyable and convenient for me. I think so. The fact itself that it was the first purchase of a vehicle for me and my husband after marriage. So being this first vehicle, I think so. This is what makes it most special for us. And secondly, since obviously it has had a very good, I have had a very good memories in the scooty. Like we have had night ride bikes. We went to go for a coffee or chai. So all these things are those things which have made a great memory in my mind, and I can cherish them for life. So if I had to define my scooty in three words, those would be comfort, reliable and time saver.